In our last vlog, no, kinuha natin yung mileage nitong Suzuki XL7 Hybrid, no, from Manila going up to Baguio, no, uphill. Lumalabas po na nasa 12 kilometers per liter, no. But now po, no, bababa tayo ng Baguio, so from Baguio going down to Manila, kukunin doon natin yung actual mileage. And let's check, let's compare po. Amen. Okay, B-Power? Okay, full tank. Okay. Papagaso tayo dun sa Shell, no? The Shell here in Baguio. And alamin ho natin, no? Ano po yung mileage, no? Yung consumption per liter, no? Or yung kanyang kilometer per liter actual from Baguio to Manila. Okay? Let's check po yung ano, no? Okay, let's get inside. Okay, ito po siya, no? Okay. Let's check po, no? Okay, full tank. Ipupulo natin siya ng full na full, no? And let's check po yung kanyang mileage or actual consumption, no? From Baguio to Manila, okay? Okay, before po kasi yung Baguio to Manila natin akyatan no? So siyempre medyo malakas ang kasyon. Ngayon we're going from full from Baguio going down, no, to Manila, okay? I'm sure the consumption is a lot different, no, because pumunta tayo rito tayo Marcos Highway, no, medyo isang oras po na akyatan yun, 1 hour na akyatan. But today po, ano lang po tayo, no, Cannon Road. Okay, shorter route and yes, going down, so we're expecting real, no, consumption. Real. Una fake lang akyatan yun Okay? Yung tunay na consumption niya, no, in liter per kilometer. Okay, let's watch po. Amen. There are some landslides here, no?
Really?
Yeah, possible, no, during rainy season.